First cast, first cast. Nothing. Right now it's just testing out the lure, see if it works properly. Catching fish is a whole nother story. Huh. Made my leader way too long. I had to retie that really quickly. It's too hard to cast. I'll try fish with this long leader, but it's almost as tall as me, and I'm close to 6'3". It's crazy. Oh yeah. Ooh, got a nice one. Come here. Oh yeah. Lift him in. Oh, beautiful. Oh, what a beaut. Okay, need to wet the hand first. Can't really. Okay. Wait. Yep, that's wet. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh yeah. No. Yeah. You're feisty. Absolutely, yeah. I do agree. Yes. Beauty. Absolute beauty. Wow. I need to get a good old release on him. Yep, there we go. That's it. Oh, he swam off. Wow. First fish of the day. Nice. You know what? I was complaining about the leader. I said I was going to change it, but you know what? After that encounter right now, I don't think that will be necessary. See these rocks, if I slip, I will fall, bang my head at least on about 5 rocks, and die. If I don't die, I'll definitely get knocked unconscious, fall in the water and drown. And die. You know what, casting here is actually really difficult. All because of the long leader. Have to get a little swing in there, you know. A little flick. I will not lie, I completely forgot to on the camera, and he literally just bit me like right here, right next to my feet. Hello. Oh yeah, beautiful fish, absolutely gorgeous. Just that this one is a bit tiny, but we're not here for size, we're here for fun. You know, we're here to fish, we're here to be out in nature. Look, broski. Oh, there's a swan fly in here. You can hear it from a mile away, the way it's splashing the water. Oh, yeah, here you go. Goodbye. Back to fish. There we go. Get a proper release on him. Swam off immediately. Swam off effective immediately. Literally caught that one right here by my feet as I was putting. Bloody hell, these swans will give me a heart attack. I'm gonna let it fly by before I cast. Nice. Got myself a new spinner. Well, 2 actually. Haven't used the other one yet properly, but this is what both the fish was caught on. Yeah, size 1, red dots, silver blade. Just like that. Wow. I was pulling it out of the water. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, no. No, 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 no. Can't escape this yet. Sorry. Literally caught it midair. Oh my god. I was pulling it out. I was pulling my bait out. I can't even talk. I was pulling my spinner out of the water. I was pulling my spinner out of the water. Oh my god. What is happening? I wet my hand before I took it as well, before I started almost juggling with it. Okay, yeah, do you know what? Just go off. It's okay. Swam off. How does that happen? That's almost twice now. As I was pulling it out of the water, they bite. Oh, hello. Yep. Hello, howdy. Oh, come. Oh, that's a brownie. That's a brownie. Is it? Yep, that's a brownie. There we go. That's a brownie. Exactly what we're looking for. Oh, yeah. Okay, easily back in with the hands here. Oh, beautiful brownie. Absolutely gorgeous. And he is hooked very well. Wow. That's it. That's the beaut. Thank you very much. And this is the reason right here why I can't really move on any further that way, because of this little stream right here. You know, I'm not wearing wellies. I can try hop on that rock, you know, right there, but I don't fancy doing that, to be honest. Do you know what I'll do? I'll do a few casts into this little stream. If I do catch something, that'll be very funny. I don't think that fish, unless it's a baby fish, will be living here. Yeah, no chance. So see, the funny thing about today, about fishing today, the very first fish I caught was the good one. It was a big, well, it wasn't big, but it was good size. And then the rest of the fish that was caught, it was all, you know, not too big. They were small, you know, and I'm not gonna say they weren't too small, but they were small. But it's fun, you know. Fishing, catching fish, small or big, man, it's you know. I just saw otters. Are those otters? Yeah, those are otters. Oh my god, I see otters. Where they gone? Yeah. Those are not otters, are they? Oh my god. Wait a sec. Yeah, those are otters. Oh yeah. Absolutely otters. Right there. Oh my god. Oh, what? That otter was just carrying an eel. It was carrying an eel. It just swam from the dam over there. Just swam. Went up right here. Now it was either a very sloppy stick, or that was a god damn. What? There's eels in this very river. What? Wait a second. So I have to come here at night time. Yeah. I have to come here at night time. I literally have to come here at night time. Oh, I just had one. Ah, I saw the fish as well. Ah, that was an okay one as well. Oh man. Another little one. I can't reach the water, so I'll just use the ground. What's this? Oh, is this a small brownie? I can't. No. Or is this a small rainbow? No, this is sea trout. Sea trout. No mistaking it. Sea trout. My apologies for mistaking it. Absolutely a sea trout. Good release. Oh yeah. Hello. Come to puppy. Come to puppy. Oh yeah, that's a better one. Slightly better. Not too much better, but slightly better. Wet the hands a little bit, you know, so you can touch it. Boom, touched it. Okay, that was the last cast on this spot. That was the last cast. Let's see if we get anything. It seems like nothing and nothing. Okay, now my favorite part of this whole fishing trip. This bridge. Yep. Okay, so it's been raining a little bit, so see, it's making all this sound. I'm not liking it. It's making that's what it's doing. That's all noise. I hate it. I see this side is safe because look at the branches. Bro, the branches are thick. But the side that I came from, I don't like that side. Because that side is not thick. It's thin. Actually, where am I going? This is the spot that I was going to. Literally just a few steps. But that's all you need. These are my last few casts now for the day, I'd say. I'm gonna be honest, I don't really know how to end this at all. Anyway, so thank you for joining in. This water, the fish in it, everything else that's in it, the otter that we saw, and the eel that it was carrying. All of us will see you later. Take care.